Next, we are going to try to create a character like this with Microsoft PowerPoint. So just go to shape. Let's make the head first. I want to create a character with the square head. Maybe I'll make it round this time. So I want the color, so I'll just go to shape field, eyedropper, and select the color I want. Let me set the shape outline to black. It'll be nicer looking. So what I want now is this the hair shape. I'll just make a copy first. So I'll design the face here and another shape. I think that will work. So like just now, select the face, select this, and subtract. So now I have a face, and then I have the hair. That's it, very easy. So now I want this part of the face. I just have to do the same, copy and select this angle, and then I'll go into intersect. Then I have something like this. Then I can copy and paste, flip horizontal, and done. So this does not have any border, so I'm just going to select this tool, outline to none, and then shape field to eyedropper, this one. Yeah, something like this. Then maybe we can use the arrow key to adjust a little bit. And there you go. So next we'll go into shapes and create the eyes. So instead of let's say these eyes that they have, I do not want this. I want half of it. So select this, and subtract. Then I have something like this. Shape outline will be black and white. Create the eyes. Black. Just copy and paste. You have these two. And then for the nose, it's also very easy. Just get one shape that you want, shape outline, and shape fill, eyebrow. Notice that there's no border on the top. That's actually quite easy. The simplest way is to just copy and paste this and remove the outline, and then you can combine it. There you go. If it's not center, just select this tool, go to align center, then you have it here. And then of course you can create the shape. I'm going to do a smiley face, so just create a circle, and like before we'll just remove the top part, subtract, outline, and white. Let me give him a white teeth. Let me give him a thicker outline for his mouth. Seems weird without it. So for the chin, we're going to go to shape and select this curve. Okay, can do just a nice curve, just do multiple points and escape. Then you have this. If you are not satisfied with this, the best way is to just click on the image and edit points. Then you can adjust it to wherever you want. It's like Adobe Illustrator but in PowerPoint, so it's very powerful. So we'll get more into this later. So that's the face done. Select everything and Ctrl G to group it, or right click, group together. So the shirt is also the same. Just grab a shirt. Okay, then half a circle for the neck area. I'm going to do the same like just now. Just select, copy and paste this. And then I'll intersect because I want the middle only. I'll get this, the shape, the color from his body, his face. Then maybe I'll get more few colors. I'll make a darker tone. Okay, because the neck, that's the shadow. And then bring to front. So let's just give him a green shirt like before. Okay, if you want it to be even more fancy, you can do it. Just go to the shirt, right click, format shape. Here you have many options to do it. You can do a gradient fill. You can choose multiple colors that you want to put in. And now you have a very nice gradient. You can change the angle to, let's say, 180 degrees. Or you can do a picture, a texture fill if you have something like this. Or I can just do paper crumple or pattern. Okay, this looks nice. For the sleeve, it's just similar with just this. Just go to the back. I have pattern fill again and green. Black, I guess. Yeah. Be a darker green. Okay. And just duplicate this. Send to back. The hands are a little bit complicated, but I'll show you how to do it. Just go here, zoom in, create a hand shape that you want, do the design if you want. So the hand should be thicker at the elbow and thinner at the wrist. So what we do is we just right click, edit points, and adjust the shapes here. So let's say this is too square for human. So I just pull the white color box and adjust accordingly. If you want a box, a point in the middle, just change it. Okay, and you can right click on the point to set it to a smooth point, straight point, or corner point. So corner point lets you do it in an angle. Straight point is a straight line, and smooth will try to smoothen everything. Then we'll just create the arm. Okay. Let's give it a little bit more angle. Okay. And then we'll change the color to the color of his face. There you go. Okay, you can do the same for the second arm. Just flip it around and let me just get it a little bit below, I guess. just go back to edit points if you want, or you can just take this, copy and paste this. I want this, subtract by this, have an image here. So you need to create the arm at the back as well. Just a random shape will do. Send it to the back. Get the color as the color of the arm, maybe a little bit darker. Outline. If you want it to align, just right click, do the same thing, and like. If you think there's too much point, just right click and delete the points, and you'll look very nice here. Okay. We do not need for this side, so I'll just ignore this. Let's make the arm protrude out. So I do not want this as well. So let's make the arm this way. Okay. I'll remove this later. Do the same. Get the outline, and then there's two lines here. Just create the two lines. Okay, this is a little bit difficult because it's snapped together. Okay, increase the weight of the line. Just copy and paste. I have two of these. You just remember to group them together so that it's easier to move around. And because this is together, I want to remove this. Remove this as well. So select, box, and subtract. There you go. You have something. You have a new character for yourself. Just right click, save as picture, and then just let's just go videos and character 1. Remember to save it as PNG, because if you save it as JPEG, it will have the white color border at the back, and you do not want that. So we just save it as PNG and save. Okay. So if you copy this, just copy everything and paste. Normally you'll have the same thing, but if you want it as an image, just paste as image picture, then you have a PNG. Alright, that's all for this video. Thank you very much. I'll see you again. Thank you.